Hi students, today we will start creating and designing Visual Basic form. After you open the program, you have to create a new project. You can see two options, from File menu or from the Start page. Then you have to select Windows Form application templates from the given options. Name your project. And click OK. Now you can see the main Visual Basic interface parts. In the middle there is a form window. To format it, let's start by resizing the window. So you have to move the mouse over one of the handles and then click and drag the mouse. Then rename it by right-click rename, change the name of the form. Make sure not to change the file extension. And finally, we will change the background color of the form. Select your form, click on the form. All properties will appear. Just you have to choose which color do you prefer. You can see three options. Now we are done with formatting the form window. We will start add control objects to the form. You have only to drag and drop the control that you want to add it to your form. First here, I added a button. You can use the mouse to resize it and place it where you want. Then let's try to change some of the properties. Here from the Properties panel, you have to select Categorize option, so it will be easier to choose which option do you want to change. I will change the background color, the font, text of this control button. Text property, it's the text that will appear on the button. So if you want to write like high school 2, you have to change the text to high school 2 instead of button. You can also change the alignment of the text. Now I will add a label control and show you how can we format it. You have only to drag and drop the label. Select the label and from properties panel, let's try to change some of the properties. So you can change the color, you can change the size, you can change the font, you can change the text. All of these options, it's very clear. Just you have to select it and apply your format. Here when you change the auto size from true to false, so you will be able easily to resize your label. So change the auto size from true to false. The same options, you can change the font and format it. The alignments, you can use copy paste options for all kind of controls. Just you have to select it, copy and paste it. Here I will add 3 buttons. I will name them High School 1, High School 2 and High School 3. So I have to change the text of the button only. And here I will change the text of the label to high school classes. Resize the label to fit the contents. And you can move it and place it anywhere. Another control I will add it's the text box. Same, just you need to drag it and drop the text box. To format the text box, you have to select it, and the same from the properties, you can change any of the properties that you want to change it. Click on the arrow at the top right of the text box and select multi-line if you want to use this option. I will add now 2 more boxes and align all controls together. Now I will add a picture control button. So we have here picture box control. Select it, drag it and drop it to the form window. Change the properties of the picture box. The most important thing is to change the size mode to stretch images, so you will be able to see the whole image when you add it to your picture box. From Properties panel, you have to select Images option. Import an image from the local resources. Resize your image and place it anywhere. Next class, inshallah, we will work on coding. Thank you.